Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So what I have installed for you today, here's look with the Tati palette. I have not used this palette, you guys, in such a long time, and it's so beautiful. I just completely forgot about it. So without further ado, let's get this gold eye look shining on. Alrighty guys, you already know me, so P. Louise eye base, #1 eye base, in my opinion. Put that on your eyelids, pat that baby in, and that is going to be the first step in your base. And before I move on any further with this gold eye look, I want to let you guys know that I do have my own lash line and I have new lashes coming out. They are zodiac inspired, so if you're a person who really likes zodiac signs such as myself, this lash is actually my newest one, and this is the Capricorn lash. They are not on my site just yet. Give me at least about a week and a half so I can update my site. This is the lash and lip package that comes with a hair scrunchie. It comes with a lash applicator, a lash eye wand, anything like if you're putting little gems, and also a roll-on lip gloss, which I will be using today. So keep that in mind, you guys. I have some amazing lashes. They are cruelty free and they're made out of synthetic fibers, but they look so freaking real. So I just want to make sure you guys know that. Check out my website. It's Adore Me More Cosmetics, and I am donating one pet blanket for every purchase. So it is for a good cause, you guys. There's a lot of animals in my area in the shelters. They are lacking blankets right now, so I am personally donating one blanket for every purchase that's made. So please help support your or any local animal shelter or just an animal in need. Remember, adopt, don't shop. And yes, you guys, if you get one of these bundles, you are helping either a precious kitty or a precious puppy. So yes, let's move forward with this eye look. Okay, so the first color I will be going in is the Aurora Matte, and you're going to want to pat that on both of your eyes. Next color I will be dabbing in is called Soothe Matte, and you're going to blend that on the inner and the outer corner of your eyelids in circular motions. Next, I'm going to be taking this color, which is called Ritual Sequence, and you're going to do the same process, blend on the inner and outer corner in circular motions. Go back to this color, Soothe Matte, and you're just going to lightly blend over the top and around, and do that on both sides. Next, I'm going to take my P. Louise eye base, and we are going to cut this whole crease. So right here, you can look up to kind of give you a guideline, and you're going to swoop all the way down to the end of the corner. Fill that in. And we are going to take this color right here called Metallic Aurora and pat that all over the eyelid. Next, we're going to take this gold, and it's in Metallic Soothe, and we are going to place that on the outer part of the eye, blending in towards the center. Okay, we are going to do the same process on this eye. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We still need to do further blending. We are going back to this color right here called Ritual Sequence and swooping over these colors right on the edge and just further blending that in. And you're gonna want to stop like midway right here on the eye. Go back into that brown matte Soothe, still on the same eye, and just go over everything. And since this is the lightest color, this will be on top. And you're just giving everything one quick further blend like so. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so next you're going to take a baby wipe and you're gonna swipe up and we're gonna clean the edges of our eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to take my glitter glue by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you're going to apply that on the inner corners of the eye going towards the center. And you're basically kind of going to put glitter more towards the inner teardrops of your eyelids going towards the center of the eye. So not going into the gold, but sticking to that lightest color that we applied. So do the same thing to the other eye. Taking this gold glitter from the Tati Palette on the Soothe section and going to apply that to where we put the glue at. You are going to use patting motions. Same thing to the other eye. And lastly, for the bottom lid, we are going to be taking this color called Metallic Soothe and just apply that to the bottom of your eyelids. Next, I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black Eyeliner and applying a winged eyeliner. Okay, so here is the overall gold New Year's eye look. I will be applying this gold liquid roll-on lip, and then I will be applying these lashes right here, and these are the Capricorn lashes from the Zodiac. So here's a bit of a close-up on them. Aren't those amazing? And they're synthetic fiber, you guys, synthetic fiber. So I'm so excited. And you shall see me back here in just a short few seconds with the final look. Okay, you guys, so here is my final gold eye look with my brand new lashes that are called Capricorn. So with these lashes, you guys, I have another bag because I'm already making them. Okay, so with these lashes, you guys, they are 25 mm long lashes. So they are long lashes. These are if you want to be over exaggerated, if you want to just shine and be different. That is what these lashes are for. With these lashes, you do need to cut them down to your eye size, not the lengthwise, the widthwise. So for example, you need to start from this edge right here and cut from that edge. Never cut the lashes on the inner corner of the eyes, ever. Always cut them from the outer corners so they fit where they fit your eyes. So yeah, these are the ones. These are called Capricorns right here. Let me know what you guys think of these lashes right here. I know they're not for everyone, but I do have a lash line that they're also synthetic lashes, and they're shorter. But yes, let me give you guys a close-up. So here is my glitter New Year's gold eye look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial and that you like this eye look. And other than that, you guys, I really hope you have a wonderful New Year's. Bye.